Welcome to Dimensional Knowledge Quests Discovering the Globe, Country Insight. Today, we're embarking on a journey through Chile, a land of breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and fascinating history. From the arid Atacama Desert to the stunning fjords of Patagonia, Chile's diverse geography and rich heritage offer an incredible experience. Join us as we explore Chile's captivating cities, natural wonders, and unique cultural expressions, each woven together to form the soul of this South American gem. Fact 1. Santiago the Capital. Our journey begins in Santiago, Chile's capital, nestled in a valley surrounded by the Andes and the Chilean coastal range. Santiago boasts a mix of colonial architecture and modern skyscrapers, with landmarks like Plaza de Armas and La Moneda Palace embodying the nation's history. In Santiago, you can also visit Cerro San Cristobal for panoramic city views and Barrio Bellavista for vibrant street art, showcasing the city's cultural richness. Fact 2. Linguistic Diversity. While Spanish serves as Chile's official language, the country's linguistic landscape is enriched by a vibrant array of indigenous languages, embodying Chile's profound cultural diversity. The Mapuche, Chile's largest indigenous group, keep their ancestral language, Mapudungun, alive, carrying forward a legacy of ancient traditions and stories passed down through generations. Likewise, the Rapa Nui people of Easter Island proudly uphold their unique language and customs, infusing Chile's multicultural identity with their distinct heritage. Fact 3. Religion in Chile. Religion in Chile is a cornerstone of cultural life, with Catholicism shaping the country's values and traditions for centuries. Iconic sites like the Basilica of Our Lady of Lourdes and the towering Virgen del Cerro San Cristobal in Santiago stand as symbols of the nation's spiritual devotion. Festivals like La Tirana, which beautifully blend indigenous beliefs with Catholic rituals, showcase the depth and diversity of Chile's religious heritage. For many Chileans, these traditions are more than customs, they are vibrant expressions of faith woven into daily life and national identity. Fact 4. A fusion of flavors. Chilean cuisine offers a rich tapestry of flavors, blending indigenous Mapuche traditions with Spanish influences to create a unique culinary identity. Signature dishes like empanadas, crispy pastries filled with seasoned meat, cheese, or seafood, and the hearty curanto, a traditional stew of meats and shellfish cooked underground, highlight the country's regional diversity. Classics like pastel de choclo, a savory corn pie, and cazuela, a comforting meat and vegetable stew, showcase Chile's variety. Chilean wines, especially bold reds from the Central Valley, are celebrated worldwide, inviting visitors to savor the nation's viticultural legacy. Fact 5. Passion for celebration. Chile's festivals showcase its vibrant heritage and strong sense of community. Fiestas Patrias, held in mid-September, celebrates Independence Day with spirited cueca dances, traditional hueso attire, and local dishes like empanadas and asado. In northern Chile, the Fiesta de la Tirana blends indigenous and Catholic traditions with colorful costumes and dances like the Diablada. The Vendimia honors the wine industry with grape stomping, tastings, and folk music, while Semana Santa is marked by religious processions. Each festival is an immersive experience that reflects Chile's lively culture and national pride. Fact 6. Atacama Desert. Chile boasts an incredibly diverse geography, with the Atacama Desert recognized as the driest desert on Earth. This remarkable landscape showcases an array of stunning features, including otherworldly salt flats and vibrant geysers that erupt with mesmerizing beauty. The unique climate has created an environment where only the hardiest of plants and animals can thrive, resulting in a fascinating ecosystem. Visitors to the Atacama are often captivated by its surreal landscapes, such as the Valle de la Luna, which resembles a lunar surface, and the breathtaking sunsets that paint the sky in vibrant hues. Fact 7. Rich artistic tradition. Chilean artisans are celebrated for their rich and diverse artistic traditions that reflect the country's cultural heritage. The Mapuche people, known for their vibrant and intricate woven textiles, create stunning works that embody their ancestral techniques and stories. Additionally, Chile is famous for its lapis lazuli jewelry, a unique art form that captures the stunning hues of this semi-precious stone found in the Andes. These art forms preserve and convey the cultural narratives that define Chilean identity. Fact 8. Chilean wine. Chile is renowned for its exceptional wine production, with its vineyards earning global recognition for quality and character, particularly the signature Carmenere grape, once nearly extinct but now thriving in Chile's terroir. Notable Chilean wines like Don Melchor, Almaviva, and Senna are highly sought after and rank among the world's most prestigious. Wine enthusiasts are drawn to Chile's renowned wine regions, such as the Casablanca and Colchagua valleys, where they can experience the country's rich winemaking heritage through tours and tastings. Fact 9. Freedom Celebration. Chile commemorates its independence on September 18 with Fiestas Patrias, a vibrant national holiday celebrated with pride and tradition. The festivities include parades, traditional dances, and spirited cueca competitions, showcasing Chile's rich cultural heritage. This day unites the nation in a joyful expression of freedom and identity, as Chileans honor their country's hard-won independence from colonial rule. Fact 10. Chilean Soccer. Soccer is more than a sport in Chile, it's a deeply rooted passion that unites people from all walks of life. Chilean players, such as Alexis Sanchez, have earned international acclaim, bringing pride to the nation and inspiring a dedicated fan base. The country's fervent support for its teams can be felt in stadiums across Chile, where fans gather to celebrate their shared love for the game. Soccer reflects the spirit, resilience, and unity of the Chilean people, making it a beloved national pastime. Fact 11. Chilean Poetry. Chile boasts a distinguished literary heritage, prominently featuring Nobel Prize laureates Pablo Neruda and Gabriela Mistral. Their poetry, infused with vivid imagery and reflections of Chile's diverse landscapes and cultural nuances, has significantly shaped the nation's identity. This literary tradition not only celebrates the beauty of Chile but also underscores the profound impact of poetry on the country's cultural legacy, positioning literature as a vital component of Chilean history and pride. Fact 12. Backbone of Chile. Chile's economy is anchored by its prominent mining sector, with copper production as a key driver of growth and foreign investment. As the world's largest copper producer, Chile also positions itself as a regional hub for innovation and sustainability. Santiago has emerged as a center for technological advancement, while renewable energy projects, particularly in solar and wind, are transforming the energy landscape. This blend of mining and innovation reflects Chile's vision for a diversified and future-ready economy. Fact 13. Foundation for Social Progress. Education is a cornerstone of Chile's path toward social and economic development. Leading institutions such as the Universidad de Chile and Pontificia Universidad Católica are renowned across Latin America for academic excellence. Ongoing educational reforms focus on enhancing accessibility, quality, and inclusivity, underscoring Chile's commitment to fostering an educated and progressive society. Fact 14. Skylines of Chile. Chile's skylines are a captivating blend of modern architecture and scenic landscapes. Santiago's towering high-rises, framed by the Andes Mountains, and Valparaiso's colorful hillside homes, create unforgettable cityscapes. These skylines showcase Chile's unique harmony of urban development and natural beauty, leaving a lasting impression on all who visit. Fact 15. Diplomatic engagement. Chile plays a vital role in international diplomacy, championing trade, environmental sustainability, and human rights on the global stage. As an active member of organizations such as the United Nations and the Pacific Alliance, Chile advocates for regional collaboration and sustainable development. Through its diplomatic efforts, Chile strengthens its position as a proactive and influential nation dedicated to fostering global progress. Thank you for joining Dimensional Knowledge Quest on this exploration of Chile, a land rich in culture, history, and natural beauty. From the Andean peaks to its vibrant cities, Chile is a destination full of surprises. Be sure to subscribe to Dimensional Knowledge Quest for more insights into the world's most fascinating places. Until next time, farewell to the captivating landscapes and dynamic culture of Chile.